guys, I'm Maya, and this is my 98 Mustang GT. Start off, I just want to tell everybody thank you that gave me the motivation and courage to start up this YouTube channel. Alright, enough of that sentimental part, let's get back to this Mustang. I bought this Mustang about 3 years ago in Colorado. It was standard stock, you know, nothing done to it until I got to it. So I started doing the basic stuff. I gutted the inside, put an exhaust on it, lowering springs, and cold air intake. And that just wasn't enough for me. I didn't have enough power. I didn't feel like it was good enough. So I made it a full bolt-on race car. First off, let me show you what's underneath the hood. Alright guys, to start off, this is a 4.6 2-valve. It has a T45 transmission, a 355er end, with a ton of bolt-ons as you can see. Now I'm not going to list everything right now for you guys, because it's just going to make the video extremely long and boring, and I don't want to do that. But as you can see, the basics, strut brace, cold air intake, pulleys, MSD coils, and as you move up front, bigger radiator, bash bar. And as we move to the side, I'm rocking some 18-inch Roush wheels, and the tires are 245 45 18s. As we move closer to the inside, I have a 10-point roll cage that's completely welded in. Over here to the side, I have an area where my battery sits, aftermarket steering wheel, nothing crazy on the inside, it's not finished. And as we move to the trunk, which is my favorite part, there's a 10-gallon fuel cell and a big ASS Nitrous Express bottle. Now there is 100 shot of nitrous on this. It is fun and it is fast, but it's not finished. I'm not going to make this a crazy long video. It's my first one, so I'm just trying to get out there a little bit. If you guys have any questions at all, please put them in the comments below, and I will get back to you with the best answer possible. I hope you guys liked my first video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. There's going to be a lot with this, guys. We're going to have tons of fun. Thank you.